Madrid, the vibrant capital of Spain, is a city full of life, history, and culture. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a lover of fine art, or simply looking to explore stunning architecture and green spaces, Madrid offers something for everyone. In this video, we'll explore 3 of the best places you absolutely must visit when in Madrid. Let's dive in. Plaza Mayor. Plaza Mayor is undoubtedly one of the most iconic landmarks in Madrid. This vast rectangular square dates back to the 16th century and has been the center of life in Madrid for centuries. As you walk through this grand plaza, you'll be surrounded by beautiful arches and historical buildings, creating a classic Spanish atmosphere. It's not just a place to visit, it's an experience. The square is surrounded by restaurants and cafes where you can enjoy some of the best Spanish cuisine. If you're in Madrid, you can't leave without trying the famous bocadillo de calamares, fried squid sandwich, which you'll find in various eateries around the plaza. The vibrant energy of the square is ideal for those who enjoy people watching, street performances, and soaking in the local culture. The Royal Palace of Madrid. The Royal Palace of Madrid, known as Palacio Real, is one of Europe's largest and most impressive palaces. This magnificent structure was built in the 18th century and stands as the official residence of the Spanish royal family, though they no longer live here. The palace is open to the public, offering a fantastic opportunity to explore its majestic rooms, hallways, and courtyards. Inside the royal palace, visitors can admire the lavish interiors, including the throne room, the royal armory, and countless works of art by masters like Goya and Velázquez. The gardens surrounding the palace are just as stunning, offering beautiful views and peaceful spots to relax after exploring the palace itself. Retiro Park. For a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of Madrid, head over to Retiro Park. Located in the city center, this beautiful green space is a favorite among both locals and tourists. Spanning 125 hectares, Retiro Park offers a tranquil environment with lovely walking paths, scenic ponds, and plenty of shaded areas to relax. One of the highlights of Retiro Park is the Grand Pond, where you can rent a rowboat and spend a few hours paddling around while enjoying the surrounding beauty. The park also features the stunning Crystal Palace, a glass structure that often hosts art exhibitions. As you walk through the park, you'll find numerous sculptures, fountains, and gardens, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely afternoon. Madrid is a city that offers the perfect blend of history, culture, and relaxation, with landmarks like Plaza Mayor, the Royal Palace, and Retiro Park giving visitors a well-rounded experience of what the city has to offer. Whether you're here for a weekend or an extended stay, these 3 destinations should be at the top of your list. Thanks for joining me on this tour of Madrid's best spots. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels.